I'm joined by Mr. Edgar Hepp of Cytosurge. Mr. Hepp,
Yes.
could you tell me a little bit more about Cytosurge?
Yes, Cytosurge is a company, Swiss-based company, founded in 2009, and we invented, or we are producing the smallest syringe in the world for biological applications, and we brought this technology further for micrometal 3D printing. And this is what we're doing right now. So we have 3 business units. 2 are for biological and cell research, and 1 is for micrometal 3D printing and micro dispensing.
Right, okay. So is it the micrometal 3D printing that you're showcasing today at the IDTechEx Show?
Yes, exactly. So this is a technology with the smallest syringe. What I just said, we can dispense any kind of liquids, nanoparticles. In our case, sulfuric acid, copper sulfate, sulfuric acid. And this we reduce to solid atoms, so we have a very unique process for additive manufacturing. No one, as far as I know, is using this process, chemical process, for additive manufacturing.
Wow. So it sounds like you could get down to the nanometer level.
Indeed, we have some of our smallest products we have is about 800 nanometer.
Wow.
And but basically from 1 micrometer to 100 micrometer we are very comfortable with.
Yes.
But they are I think possibly to 400, 500 nanometer, but this is research, still topic of research.
Okay, so something to maybe watch out for in the future.
Yes, exactly. So for the nanoscientists, they are interested in smaller scales, and for the current one micron to 100 micron, they're pretty for microelectronics, they are quite good with this size already.
Absolutely. All right. So who do you think would stand to benefit most from this technology?
As it is a completely new possibility to manufacture something and metal shaping in this size, no one could do before. Mm-hmm. So it's not like an industry, it is clear research. It's innovative companies who develop the products from tomorrow or from the day after tomorrow.
Right.
So it is clear research.
Sounds good. So what do you think of the IDTechEx Show?
IDTechEx, I really like it because people here, they are very open-minded. They are very further thinking people. They are not limited to what they have today. They are just going the next what is coming in 2 years and 5 years. And here it's clustered. There are many of these people. So you have nice discussions and nice talks to people. Are very creative and inspiring discussions. And this is the biggest value, I guess, in my opinion.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for coming by.